Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2018 Mazda 3 SP25 Hatch, stock reference number 4772. This shape runs from the 5th month 2016 through to the 2nd month 2019. That's a 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.